Learn how to make a cute flower throw pillow that uses a ruffle to mimic the petals. Download the free pattern and using the link in the description below and follow along with the step-by-step instructions. To start with, you want to get the ruffle ready. Fold the ruffle in half with right sides together and sew the ends together to make a loop. Now you want to fold the ruffle in half lengthwise. Sew long gathering stitches along the bottom of the ruffle. You want to use the longest stitch on your machine to add 2 lines of gathering stitches. Now you want to pull the stitches to gather the ruffle until it fits around the perimeter of the center circle. Now you want to baste the ruffle to the edge of the pillow circle. Be sure the bulk of the ruffle is on the inside of the circle. With right sides together, sandwich the ruffle with the second center circle, leaving a small gap so that you can turn it to the right side. Then you want to trim the seam to reduce bulk, and then turn the pillow right side out. Now it's time to stuff the pillow. You can use whatever you like to stuff up the pillow. I like to use leftover fabric scraps, but it does tend to make the final pillow a little bit lumpier than it otherwise would be. So if you don't like how that looks, you can always use polyfill or some other type of pillow stuffing material. Once you're finished, you want to make sure that you sew up the gap by hand sewing it. And that's it. You have finished your cute ruffle flower pillow.